Ready to ditch the boring and make your browser truly you? Let's dive into customizing the look of your Arc browser. First, open up Arc browser, then look to the top left corner of your screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open the main menu. In the main menu, scroll down until you find Settings and give it a click. This will take you to the Settings panel. In the Settings panel, look for the Themes section. It should be under the Appearance category. And here's where the magic happens. You'll see a selection of preset themes to choose from. Click on any theme to instantly apply to your Arc browser. Feel free to experiment and find one you love. Want to go even further? Click on the Create New Theme or Customize button. If your theme has one, this allows you to adjust individual colors, brightness, and other visual elements. Play around with the settings until you achieve your perfect aesthetic. And there you have it, your Arc browser, now personalized to your exact liking. Enjoy your unique browsing experience.